What's up? This is Professor Wergeles. We are on lecture number 2. In this lecture, we're going to look at the location of CSS. We'll also take a look at selectors and specificity. I'm on class number 2. I'm going to download the before class content. Make sure you download this on your computer in a place that you're familiar with, that you're able to access easily. So what I like to do is create a folder for the class. So I'll create a CS2830 folder, and I'll have in that folder, I'm going to have my lectures. Okay, so I can keep track of my lectures. And then this will be lecture number 2, CSS, location, selectors, and specificity. Okay, so you can kind of know what it is. And I'm going to put my before class content right in there. And then I'm going to unzip it. And now I'm going to open this in brackets. So what I like is I'll actually open up the entire directory. I can open up each individual file, or I can open up the entire folder. So if I open up the folder, it actually makes the live preview a little bit easier. So I'll go to that folder I just created, 2830, and I'll open up the before class content. There's a few lectures we'll go over. Okay, once I have that loaded into brackets, I no longer need Canvas, and I can focus right here in brackets. Okay, so I'm going to open up the first one, which is location, and you'll see there's nothing in there because I want to create this file using brackets. So if I open up brackets, I can create a new file. I'm going to save it immediately so I can put it in the correct location. So I'm going to put it right here in location, and we're going to call this one learning location.html. Okay, we're learning CSS location. Now when I create this file, I put a .html extension, which will tell brackets to do HTML encoding. We need the 5 required tags when we first start our page. The first one is the doc type. Then we have our HTML tag. Then we'll have our head tag. And you'll see how I'm tabbing these out. Then we need our title. And then we need the body. Okay, these are the 5 required tags. You will be tested on this in the future on an exam. Okay, so you're going to want to memorize the 5 required tags. The first one is the doc type. The second one is the HTML tag. Third one is the head tag. Fourth one is the title. Fifth one is the body. These are the 5 required tags in this course to create a proper HTML5 page. If I take this and run this through the validator right now, it's going to tell you you need 2 things. The first thing is you need something in that title. Now, if I run this page, you'll see this Thunderbolt here. That's how you do live preview with brackets. And one of the main reasons I like using brackets, you'll see the title is just this weird link. Okay, so if I put something here like learning CSS location, you'll see that change in the tab. Okay, that's my title for the page. In the validator, it will also say you need to define the character set. Okay, so I'm going to define the character set as UTF-8. As I'm typing this, brackets will autocomplete. I could type this out, or I can click enter and have brackets type it for me. So now if I run this page through the validator, it'll say that everything's correct. Okay, this is very important when writing code. If you continue to the next video, we'll look at writing some selectors. We'll see you in the next video.